Hello everyone, this is Lauren again. Welcome back to the Easy Cloud series. Today, we're exploring AWS storage services and useful tools provided by Magazine Cloud to meet diverse storage needs in the cloud. Before we proceed, let's first look at the types of storage services commonly used. There are different types, namely object, file, and block storage. Let me briefly explain each category first. So, object storage. Imagine you have a big box where you can store all kinds of things, pictures, videos, documents, anything you want. Each thing you put in the box has a label on it, making it easy to find later. That's how object storage works. You store data objects in a big digital box storage system, and each object has its own unique identifier label, so you can easily retrieve it when needed. It's like having a giant digital warehouse for your files and data. Next, block storage. Think of block storage as a big stack of Lego blocks. Each block is a small piece of data, and you can stack them together to build something bigger like wall or a castle. Block storage divide data into chunks, blocks, and stores them in a sequential order. It's like storing data in a series of blocks when each block has its own address. Block storage is often used for storing data that needs to be accessed and modified frequently, like operating system files or databases. It offers fast and direct access to individual blocks of data, making ideal for applications that require high performance and low latency. Lastly, file storage is like having a digital filing cabinet. You have different folders for different types of documents, maybe one for photos, one for spreadsheets, and so on. Each document is stored in its own folder and has a specific name, so you can find it easily. File storage systems organize data into a hierarchical structure, similar to how you organize files on your computer. It's great for storing and sharing files within multiple users because everyone can access the same folders and files through network connection. AWS provides various storage services for object, block, and file storage. So let's now explore them in detail. First, let's start with the object storage service provided by AWS. Amazon Simple Storage Service S3 is a flagship object storage service offered by AWS. Amazon S3 provides highly scalable, durable, and secure storage for a wide variety of objects, including images, videos, documents, backups, and log files. With Amazon S3, you can store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web, making it ideal for storing large volumes of unstructured data and serving as a central repository for data storage and distribution. Amazon S3 offers various storage classes to optimize cost and performance based on data access patterns and durability requirements, including standard, intelligent tiering, and Glacier storage classes. By utilizing S3's intelligent tiering, you can automatically optimize the tiering of your S3 storage. Additionally, Using S3 Glacier storage classes allows you to store data at lower cost. Now, let's explore AWS Block Storage Service. AWS offers two main types of block storage: Amazon Elastic Block Store and Instance Store. EBS provides persistent block storage volumes that can be attached to Amazon EC2 instances, offering durability and reliability for storing data beyond the life of the instance. EBS volumes are highly available and include features like snapshots for data backup and cloning for rapid deployment. On the other hand, Instance Store provides temporary block storage directly attached to the physical host machine of an EC2 instance. While Instance Store volumes offer high performance and low latency, they are not persistent, meaning that any data stored on them is lost when the associated instance is stopped or terminated. Instance Store volumes are typically used for temporary storage and caching purposes when data persistence is not required. Amazon EBS volumes serve a wide range of purposes, including databases, enterprise applications, and containerized workloads. It offers various types of storage volumes as well. General purpose SSD types like GP2 and GP3 volumes offer IOPS performance suitable for various workloads, featuring predictable baseline performance and the ability to burst when needed. IO1 and IO2 volumes cater to demanding workloads requiring consistent, high performance and intensity I/O operations. ST1 volumes are well suited for big data and analytic tasks, ensuring consistent high throughput. SC1 volumes, on the other hand, are tailored for less frequently accessed data and throughput-centric workloads within colder data. Now, let's take a look into the managed cloud file systems provided by AWS. Amazon EFS is a managed file system optimized for Linux-based workloads, while Amazon FSx for Windows File Server is tailored for Windows-based workloads. Let's look at Amazon Elastic File System, EFS. Amazon EFS is a reliable and cost-effective cloud-native network file system storage service. It offers scalability, high availability, and performance. As a fully managed service, it can be operated with ease, supporting on-premises and hybrid configurations. Moreover, it can be mounted on multiple EC2 instances across multiple availability zones. Amazon EFS finds utility in various scenarios, including home directory services, container storage, application development and testing, web content management, and database backup storage. It's also suitable for systems requiring shared storage, such as analytic workloads or media storage. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, on the other hand, is a scalable, fully managed file storage service designed for Windows-based workloads. It supports multiple availability zones and is compatible with Windows file systems, facilitating the use of Active Directory. This service can be employed for home directory service, business applications, web services, content management, software development environment backups, and disaster recovery. Additionally, it can function as shared storage for SQL databases. Alright, now let's find out how we can transfer our data to AWS storage services. AWS offers a range of data transfer and migration services tailored to the nature of the data and applications, catering to hybrid cloud storage, online and offline data transfer requirements. Let's now explore key data transfer services. If you want to utilize cloud storage while still running on-premises applications requiring fast access to data or quick data transfer to the cloud, AWS hybrid cloud storage setups can help. They link on-premises applications and systems with cloud storage seamlessly. There are two key services: AWS Storage Gateway, which connects on-premises applications to AWS storage, and AWS Direct Connect, providing dedicated low-latency links between your data centers and AWS regions. For online data transfer, there are various methods available. AWS Data Sync ensures fast and secure data transfer between on-premises NAS and AWS services. The AWS Transfer family scales file transfers to AWS storage services using protocols such as SFTP, FTPS, and FTP. If you need to stream and load real-time data into AWS services, you can use Kinesis Data Firehose. Additionally, you can utilize the hyperbrowser solution offered by Amazon Cloud for easy data transfer and management into AWS storage services. Lastly, the AWS Snow family simplifies offline data transfer to and from AWS. AWS Snowball physically ships terabytes to petabytes of data, while AWS Snowball Edge adds compute capabilities for Lambda functions or mini data centers. Today, we delve into AWS storage services to meet diverse storage needs in the cloud, including block storage, file storage, and object storage, along with various means of transferring data. Alright, so please stay tuned for our next session where we will explore other AWS core services. Thank you all for joining us today. See you next time. Goodbye.